Today we're going to talk about your product story and how important it is for your business. Telling a personal story about an experience that you've had with your Oriflame product is a great way to get people just as excited about things as you are. Today, when we have a product need, instead of looking at business advertising, we look for recommendations. People really value other people's opinion instead of business advertising. Your story is going to be a really powerful recommendation tool. Here are some questions to think about before you craft your own product story. If your story answers all of these questions, you know that you've got something really great. What concern did you have before starting to use the product? How were you introduced to the product? What product was it that you started to use? And what results do you have by using the product yourself, and what does that mean to you? So this is my product story. When someone from Oriflame approached me and asked me to try out a sample of the Novage Ecologen, I was intrigued. I'd been looking for a skincare solution to help me with my dry skin. The results were pretty instant, and my skin felt absolutely amazing. So within 12 weeks, the results were unbelievable. My skin felt really nourished, and it had given me back that youthful glow. It's my absolute favourite. Super simple, right? But before you get started on crafting your own product story, here's a few do's and don'ts to bear in mind. Do make it short and sweet, so no more than 1 minute long. And make sure that you're choosing a product that you genuinely love and connect with. Focus on what the results mean to you. Be passionate, relatable, and show emotion, and make sure that you speak directly to your audience as if you were in the same room. Don't exaggerate your experience. It's really important that your story remains authentic. Don't refer to any medical conditions or unrealistic claims. Don't overwhelm people with too much information all at once. So you should follow the instructions in this video and write out your own product story. Practice and record the video on your phone and make sure that it's no more than 1 minute long. Share the video with your sponsor and your upline manager, and then continue to share your product story with 3 new people every day. Now it's your turn to go and create your own product story. Oh, that was a bit forced at the end, I'm so sorry.